Good Saturday afternoon, everybody. I am here at the Toyota of Goldsboro, uh, just waiting on my truck to get an oil change done. We're gonna uh, just look around a little bit, see what some beautiful cars that they have here. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see. Uh, and as you can see, they have a Toyota Supra GR. This is a beautiful car right here. And let's just go around here and see what else they've got in store. As you can see, they're moving some vehicles around. Here's are some of the new Camrys. Yeah, they got a Dodge dealership and a Hyundai. There's a Ford dealership. Now, this here is the Toyota SE all-wheel drive. And this blue one that we're walking up to is the SES model. This is a beautiful color car. Uh, I like the design of it. It's got the nice big old dash on the inside and everything. Show you the front. That's the front of it. The only thing I don't like about it, it doesn't have any fog lights. You gotta have fog lights. I'll go out here to the used car section. It's a beautiful, brisk morning. It's a little windy today, but we had a little cold front come through from Hurricane Sally that hit Alabama. There's a used GMC Sierra. This is a nice looking truck right here. It's got a leather interior. It's a nice little truck, 4x4. That's what I'm talking about. Got the fog lights on the front. And let's get in some more used vehicles right here. We got a nice white Toyota Tacoma. I call it a taco. It's the 2020 model. That's a nice ride right there. It's got the little extended cab. That's a nice little vehicle right there. Let's see. Here's got an Audi Q7 4Runner, and then a Highlander. And then you got the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Got a Honda Accord. Another. This is a Nissan Sentra Altima. And then you got a Mazda. Which one is this? This is Mazda 6. Got another Nissan Altima. And then you got the Hyundai. That's a nice Chevy Cruze. Then we're getting in some more Tacoma trucks. This is a 2020. It's a used one. It's only got 14,000 miles. And this here's another 2020 used one with only 13,000 miles. I guess they didn't really like it that well and they traded it in. Here's a 2017. We checked on this one. It's the XP model. It's got about 26,000 miles. They're asking about 34,000 for it. That's not too bad, but here we got another 2017. It's with 20,000 miles. And the last one, but not least, is this 2018. It's only got the accessory cab. And here's another 4Runner. What's so neat about this dealership, they have got a, this one I'm walking up to, it's the white one. I'm not going to show you the mileage on it yet. But this is a, let's see what this is. This is a Toyota Highlander. It's got the V6. It actually has 530,564 miles. And they see they got low miles on it, but it's still a kick. I don't know what year model it is, but to have 530,000 miles on it, that's impressive, especially for a Toyota. Here we've got some Highlanders. Yeah, we're waiting on, Chris's truck is needing an oil change, so we're waiting on the oil change to get done. There's a Highlander. Those are nice looking vehicles. They are sharp. There's a hybrid one. There's another. Now we're getting into some of the RAV4s. That's what me and Jennifer's got. We've got a RAV4 XLX or XLE. I think it's the XLE. Yeah, it's the XLE that we've got. Something similar to that one right there. One thing I do like about the new ones is it's got the dual exhaust. Surprisingly, here is the only Toyota Tundra that's on the lot. I just don't like that it doesn't have the Crew Max cab. This is a nice one. This is what Chris drives. His is a Crew Max, though. Huh? Yeah, it's an off-road 4x4. And we're getting into the Camrys, the Corollas. We're still waiting on our vehicle. They haven't even pulled it back to the back. We had a 10:30 appointment. They've been busy today. Oh my gosh. My boy saw a Spectrum truck, so they said, Spectrum? Yeah, that's where I work at. We got some more cars. And you got the Corollas here. But we're fixing to walk down we're going to walk down the middle of these Corollas right here. There's an XSE. There's an SE. There's an LE. We're going to go over here to their used car section. Show you some of the used cars that they have. Yeah, there was actually a guy that test drove that Supra. So he might end up being, that might be his car before the end of the day. Who knows? Y'all know how car shopping is. You go, you test drive, and then you might end up buying it. But here's a nice 4Runner. It's a 2019. It's really nice sharp looking. And we got a 2019 Highlander. Next to it is a 2016, then a 2017. And we got a couple. Don't go see if these are the RAV4s. I think these are the RAV4s right here. There's a 2019, another 2019, 2019. RAV4. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's a 2018. Here's a Chris car. That's what we call a Chris car. It is a CHR. It's a 2018. These are a nice little car right here. They got very good gas mileage. They're a little small. It's a little 4-cylinder. You see why we call it a Chris car? It's because it's a CHR. We're going to add an IS if he ever gets one of those. There's a Corolla. Got some more used cars over there. There's a Impala and a Malibu. So we're just going right down the lot here. There's a 2015 Prius. There's a Prius. We got a hybrid Prius. And we just going right on down the list of 2020. There's another 2020. There's a 2019. 2014 and a 2019. But yeah, I mean, some more used cars. So I hope y'all enjoy the little tour of the Toyota of Goldsboro on this brisk Saturday afternoon. It is a beautiful day out here today. Looking at cars while we're waiting. Just chilling. We got Dalton back there and got Austin. So we're just taking it easy today. Jennifer's at home. Just remember to keep her in your prayers and everything. She's got a lot of good stuff going on with her dad and everything. We don't know what's going to be the outcome. Oh, and by the way, today, September 19th, in 1974, I was born. So happy birthday to me. So we're going to celebrate a little bit tonight with some little steaks, probably some baked potato, a salad. So y'all have a good day. We're going to just take it easy and chill a little bit, and we'll see you again soon. Remember, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the subscribe notification. Yeah, our toner just went by, so hopefully it'll be done soon. But y'all have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again soon. Love y'all. What? I see the truck. I see the truck too.